In continuation to our previous tutorial, in this tutorial we will be adding different screens to our current existing web page here. So in our previous tutorials we have built a basic template in Flutter, and in our second tutorial we have added a slider to our home page and also customized the menu options and also the logo. So now we will try to add the functionality for these pages now. So create a package here called screens, and inside which we will be creating an about screen. So inside the about screen, import the material.dart package and create a stateless widget about. So here instead of container we will be returning a column inside which provide the children, and we will be having one text widget for now. So we will be providing the name to be about, and here also we will provide the styling for our text field here. So font size I will be providing 20 and font weight W700. So this is it, a basic about class, and you can add some more widgets below this text widget and provide your content. So we will be making use of this about class here and try to route to that particular screen. So one more thing I want to explain you here, this is our single child scroll view inside which our entire website is there. So it's still not a website, it's a web page currently. So our complete web page is there inside this single child scroll view, and if you go inside here you can see this is our column here, and inside the column this container is our header section, and the second container is our body section, and the third container is a footer section here. So these are the three sections we are having in our website, out of which the header and the footer we are keeping constant for this site currently, and just we are going to alter the body section here. So this is the second container we are going to alter. So if you see inside the second container we are having a single child, that is full screen slider demo, which is nothing but the image slider which is present inside the body here. So now we will try to replace this full screen slider demo with our about class and all the different classes like profile, contact, help. So now to do so we need to have the on press functionality inside to our buttons here. So these are the home, about, profile, contact and help buttons which you can see here. So we are currently not having on press functionality for this button, so let's go ahead and add the on press functionality now. So for which we need to declare a function, and this function we can call it as on press so that we can easily understand it. So inside the on press functionality we can just provide this for now, and also provide the same in our constructor. So yes, we are now enabled for on press functionality, and here you can get the same. So we now got the on press functionality, and just we are leaving blank for now. And as we discussed, we are having a single child, that is Flutter screen slider demo. I want to replace it with a widget screen. So here we will be creating a widget by name screen, and we will be providing the initial value to be Flutter screen slider demo. So we have made no change here, we are just declared it to this particular widget, and we are making use of it now. So there will be no change in the output. In a simple way, I want to deal this mechanism. We will be trying to store the screen equal to, so as we are dealing with the home page, we can just provide the full screen demo. We can provide the same class which we have provided as the initial value, full screen slider demo for our home tag here. And inside the about, here we will be having a change now. So for the screen here, we are going to specify the about class. As we have just created the about class, import it. So yes, now we are having home and about. So still we are having profile, contact and help classes. We need to be creating them and we need to provide them in the same scenario right now. So now when you run this particular code and try to see the output, you will not be able to move to the about screen. And again, it's a basic, we have not specified the set state here, so for which we need to add the set state functionality also. So here you can see we have got home, about and profile, contact, help are still in disabled state, and when you tap on about, the functionality will be working in background, but you can't able to see because we have not provided the set state. So now let us provide this set state functionality and wrap it inside it, and now provide the same here also and wrap the screen inside it. And now try to save your program, and now you will be able to tap on the about. So you got the about screen here, and when you come back on home button, you can get the slider back again. So this is a default way I am providing, and again there will be different mechanisms to provide this routing system. You can provide the initial routes and you can provide a set of routes for these particular classes here, but I want to make it as simple as possible for you to understand. And also I want to have the header and the footer section constant, and only the middle body section needs to be altered. We have tried about class for now, and still there are profile, contact and help. So I will give you a chance to try them, and like the same way how we have created an about class inside the screens, you may create the profile and contact and all these classes, and in the same way try to provide this functionality. And if you are getting any errors, you can come back and watch the video. So yes, in the same way we will be creating a profile and contact and also help. And to make it much faster, I will be copying the same code here, but try to replace the names, or else every screen will be same. So contact, and here also contact, and we are left with help screen. So help, and yes, we are done now. So here, instead of making the set state every time, we can also create a method here. So cut it and load screen, and inside which we can pass the widget here. So we can make use of the load screen functionality here, load screen, and full screen demo. Yes, so in the same way you can do it for all the remaining classes as well. And now also make sure you change it here, provide the screen, or yes, you can make it like change screen and just provide it, and just provide it here to avoid the confusion. And now try to run the code and see the output. So here we got the screens now, and you can see all the buttons are now enabled. And I tap on the profile, so we got the profile screen, contact screen, help screen, about, and again we are back to the home screen here. And you can observe the footer and the header is the same now, only the body part is being currently varying. So here this is it for this tutorial now, and in the coming tutorials we will be seeing more customizations in this particular website. So if you are having any queries and if you want to add some more functionalities to this existing website, you may let me know in the comment section below. And as I want to make the series much easier for you to understand, I am just taking a single concept for every tutorial and in a very short duration. And the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.